In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Trading 212 on laptop. The first thing to know is that Trading 212 doesn't offer a traditional Windows or Mac app like you'd find in an app store. Instead, the official and best way to use it on a laptop or desktop is through your web browser. This works on any modern computer and keeps you on the most up-to-date version without needing manual downloads. Start by opening your preferred browser, such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. In the address bar, go to trading212.com. Make sure you see the secure lock icon in your browser. This confirms you're on the official site. On the top right, select Log In if you already have an account, or choose Open Account if you're creating a new one. You can sign in with the same credentials you use on your phone. That's exactly how Trading 212 expects laptop and desktop users to access the platform. When you log in from a new computer, don't be surprised if you're asked to verify your identity. Trading 212 uses security features like trusted devices and two-factor authentication, so keep your phone nearby to approve a prompt or enter a verification code. Once you're in, you'll find the web platform familiar and full-featured. You can review your portfolio, search instruments, fund your account, and place orders right from the browser, all with the benefit of a larger screen. If you prefer the feel of a standalone app, you can give the website its own window using Chrome or Edge. With the Trading 212 site open, click the three dots menu in the top right of the browser, go to Cast, Save, and Share, and select Create Shortcut. When the prompt appears, check Open as Window. This will launch Trading 212 in a clean, app-like window without the usual browser tabs, and you can pin it to your taskbar or dock for quick access. It still runs the secure web version behind the scenes, so it updates automatically. A quick word of caution, there is no official PC installer for Trading 212. If you see third-party sites offering a Trading 212 for Windows download, avoid them. They're not official and could be unsafe. Always use the official website or the shortcut you created from it. That's all you need. Use the web version for full functionality and optionally create a desktop-style shortcut for convenience. Keep your phone handy for verification, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.